45 years ago today, an F5 tornado slammed into South Jackson, killing 58 people in its path. The tornado ranks as the longest tornado in Mississippi history to stay on the ground. Meteorologist Ethan Houston talked to two survivors of the tornado and has their story.
We just went through our day. It was a nice day.
Nancy Howe was working at the KNC Electric Building on Cooper Road, March 3rd, 1966, and treated the day like any other work day.
Later on in the afternoon, I guess it was around 4 or something, 4:30, something like that, it started raining.
What Nancy didn't know was at the time a tornado formed near Adams in southern Hinds County. The tornado moved quickly towards Forest Hill High School, and then minutes later it slammed into the Candlestick Park shopping center.
And then I saw a big piece of tin flying through the air. Well, that's the last thing I remember until I woke up and I was under my desk.
This is the scene Nancy woke up to. The entire Candlestick shopping complex was leveled. People trapped in buildings cried out for help. Nancy crawled out of the rubble and ran 3 blocks to check on her children.
I still had my high heels on, but the wind had blown off my blouse. My ankles were cut.
At that time, Nancy's husband, Bobby Howell, a Jackson police officer, was driving into the neighborhood.
When I pulled up, I was looking straight at the shopping center and it was level.
Al says he found Nancy near the daycare center with their 2 children. Nancy needed medical attention, and after survivors cut a path through the damage, Bob drove Nancy to Baptist Hospital.
I found out later my pickup truck was 200 yards away, picked up and thrown into a field, and of course, the main thing that nobody was hurt in our building. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of lives.
I know there were a lot of deaths, and there were a lot in the building behind us.
Both Nancy and Bobby say the memories are still vivid from the tornado, but the greatest healer was time.
Time helps. It was rough for us at that time.
For 16 WABT News, I'm Ethan Houston.
Well, that tornado stayed on the ground from Hinds County to Tuscaloosa County, Alabama. The Candlestick Park tornado is only one of 2 known F5 tornadoes to ever occur in Mississippi. The other happened in the southern Delta in February 1971.